Hello guys, my name is Roosevelt and in this video I'll be showing you how to match colors in Adobe Photoshop. To have this image here, the image of a deer, I've already cut the deer out of its background. I'll select the deer image, press Ctrl C to copy and then press Ctrl V to paste it over here. Now press Ctrl T and let's resize the deer image. Now let's place the deer over here. But before we match the background color to the deer image, what we do is we right click on the deer layer and select rasterize layer. Now click on this padlock over here to unlock the background. Now the background layer name is layer 0. Select the deer image, go to image, adjustments and then match color. Over here, it asks you to select a source image, and to know your source image, just check so our source image is pixels and this is I'll just select it over here. Then I'll select the layer, which is the background layer, which is layer 0. And I'll select layer 0. But then you can see that the green is overshadowing the colors on the deer. So what we do is we will select this fade over here and then push it to the right side, so we are okay with the colors. I think this is okay. I'll just select the okay over here. Now this is the before and here's the after. Before and after.